we are going to Jordan. See you later. Baby. And we just landed. Welcome to no, Aman muna. Welcome to Aman. So we will be picked up by our tour guide from the immigration and they will arrange our visa. Our visa is upon arrival, diba, baby? Yeah. And then from there, let's see how it goes. See you later. And here we go. Hi.
How are you?
Let's go, Melissa and Jerica.
Muhammad.
Melissa, hello.
Jordan,
Thank you. Let's go. Mohammed, sorry, Ahmed, you will not leave us, okay? Anywhere. Okay. You will be with us. So Ahmed will be with us for 4 days here in Jordan. Let's go.
Or ماذا بني or فوزك. Very heavy also.
So we are currently at Mount Nebo. This is where we will find the Holy Land, the view over the Holy Land, the Brazen Serpent Monument, the Memorial of Moses with its mosaics, and the olive tree of Pope John Paul. Yes, let's go.
Yung famous na ano siya. Para naman akong tour guide.
Actually. Yan, papa-picture siya. So we are currently in Mount Nebo. And this is one of the most biblical and holy places here in Jordan. So right now we are entering the museum. And this is the Last Supper. Here is Jesus Christ's baptism in Jordan River. So after Christianity, we are now entering Islamic religion. Ayan. May palitsyon. Ito may paano. Arabic bread, 'di ba? So I think they are just portraying all the... Ay! Oh my God! Ito siya. Paggawa ng tissue. Thanks to Fine Brand. Ano pa ba? So, itong museum na to is about culture, religion of Jordanians. Apart from the culture, their jobs. Yeah, that's about it. Baby! Hi! Here we go again for our, ano to, fourth na, no? Fourth country. Para siyang studio, no? Arabic bread again. Wow!
Amman Citadel. And Roman Theater, then go to walk around.
And we just arrived in our hotel here in Petra. At umuulan. Ay, I will give you my passport. Nakaka-stress. Sana hindi umulan tomorrow kasi sayang. Kasi ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Okay, so mag-check-in muna kami and then I'll see you later.
There is a swimming pool open from 10 morning until 6:30. Okay, and lobby here 24-hour open. In your room there is a coffee tea for the Wi-Fi. No smoking. No smoking. Small letter without space.
First hotel in Jordan, Petra. Let's go. We got twin bed. Ang saya. Here is the toilet. Girl, ang ganda. In fairness, ang ganda. Toilet! Shower. Sana may hot and cold. Siguro may hot and cold, diba? At baby merong shampoo and conditioner. So, okay. Worth it. To bed. And tingnan natin sa umaga. Ano gagawin natin? Pagising natin. Sisigaw tayo ng good morning, Petra! Nasaan na? Ayan. Super ganda. See you later.
No coffee?
Good morning. Breakfast time. Hi.
Oh, good morning.
So, yesterday, I wasn't able to update you. We arrived here in Petra, had overnight here, and today, oh my God, umaaraw siya, baby. So, kasi kanina pagising namin, medyo cloudy. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, as in super cloudy niya. Sana pagpunta namin ng Petra, it will be better, mas sunny para makapag-pictures kami. We'll visit one of the 7 wonders of the world. So, tignan natin. Super excited na kami. So, yesterday, we arrived here from the airport. We went to Mount Nebo. Just a quick tour. And then, tapos, we settled. And yeah, today is our second day. And we're going to Petra. We'll see you later. So, update guys. Papunta na kami sa Petra. We just checked out. Sobrang lamig. Oh my God. Hindi kami ready for this. Let's see kung anong mangyayari. We were suggested to wear shoes later for the check. Tingnan natin. Baka kailangan namin mag-shoes. Anyway, carry lang kasi malamig naman. Sobrang lamig. Parang Baguio feels. As in yung nasa tuktok ka ng, di ba, ng Baguio. Ng December, ganun. I think 24 or 23 ngayon. Which was not expected today. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Hopefully it will be everything will be okay and the weather will be perfect for us para ma-enjoy namin. We'll see you guys! Excited to see you later! And we just arrived here in Petra. We will go now. How many minutes walk, baby?
30 minutes.
30 minutes yung papunta. Tapos, yung first point, 30 plus another 30. So, alam mo na, more than 30 minutes ang walk. So, we were asked to wear shoes dahil so comfy ang slippers. Hello! Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Oh, really?
You want the scarf, lady?
Later on, brother! We want the first. Yes! See you! O, diba? Dapat ganun lang. Hindi ka lang nang hindi dahil marami silang gusto from tourists. Anyway, we will see you and we will just walk. We will get ready for our alay lakad today. See you! Si Ai din eh.
Ano balik tayo dito next week? yung nakaka-amaze na. Ano mo yun?
Anong masasabi mo sa ating trip to Petra?
Alam mo, picturesque lang. Tapos yung sa...
Picturesque, correct. That's the term.
Hindi siya katulad, mas iba siya sa personal.
Totoo.
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah. And mapapasabi ka na lang talagang what a wonderful world. And thank you, Lord, for this opportunity to witness such beauty. Promise. Ang ganda niya. And it's all nature.
Alam mo, entrance pa lang to.
True.
Ako, lalabas ako dito. Video ako.
Look who we found here! Sobrang ganda. Hi! Ang ganda-ganda dito. Like worth taking picture of as in. Oh my God. Grabe. We just arrived. Ang ganda. Guys, Seven Wonders of the World. Wow. Okay, do. Oh. Hi! Nandito tayo in front of the theater. First, we reached the treasure, and then few minutes walk, you will reach this. And this is the theater. If you will go all the way down, marami pang spots na pwede nating puntahan, pero wala na kaming time. So, we'll come back here soon, hopefully. And then, next natin, we'll start from the other side. Meron siyang mga points. So, we managed to visit 4. The treasure, itong the streets of Facade, actually 3 lang pala. And then, 4 nga. And then this theater. Tapos next nun will be the tombs. So ito yung mga sites dito sa Petra. Hi! And female toilet. Let's see. Ganda. Diba? Super nice. Guys, after 2 hours of walking, we finally reached the entrance again. Sobrang proud kami sa sarili namin ngayon dahil ang layo at ang daming lakad niya pabalik. So, congratulations to us for walking back and forth without asking for any help. Sobrang galing. Anyway, we made it to the finals. And by the way, nakausap namin yung mga locals kanina. Yesterday, there was like a very strong storm. And thank God, ang ganda ng weather today. So, everything went well. And I'm so happy. Yes! Masasabi ko na nasubukan na friendship natin. And, girl, legit, best friend talaga tayo. Girl, hindi kami nag-away. Walang away, walang issues. Walang napikon sa picture. As in, guys, one best suggestion, if you're going to Petra or if you're going to travel with someone, you better be sure na super close mo siya. Super mahal mo yung tao. Kung hindi, there's a big chance na magkapikunan kayo. So, yes.
Worth it, guys!
Super worth it! Petra, take off. The treasure, take off. Next, hagdang-hagdang pala yan. We just arrived to our next stop. Our second night here will be in this hotel, Rum Oasis. We will be sleeping in a tent under this beautiful mountain. Please.
So we are give you an upgrade to the
Oh,
Martian tent.
thank
Your
you.
room, it would be on the top of the white one.
Thank you. You are the best.
Thank you.
Say it again, baby.
Amazing. It's like a dream.
Yes.
Upgrade tayo ng room. Would you believe?
Ay! So, ang aming room ay magiging doon sa tuktok.
They call it Marshall tent.
Talaga? Okay. Why Marshall? Probably because we are on top of the mountain. We are so blessed and we are very thankful for this experience. Sobrang ganda.
Baby show is look.
Oh my God! Yes, yes, yes. Guys, we'll be doing another room tour. Guys, if you can see that place. I don't know what we did here, but we must have done something really good for us to deserve this here. Thank you, Petra. Thank you. Thank you, Jordan. Entering our upgraded room. Oh my God. Baby. Really? Like, really? Wow. What can you say, girl? Oh my God, guys. What a nice experience. Super. Okay. Bathroom check. Not bad. We are so happy here. As in, super, super thankful. See you later. Okay lang. And we are ending our night like this. Our restaurant for the dinner and a place for tea and coffee and this view. So we are here at Oasis in front of the restaurant where we will have our dinner, and according to the receptionist earlier, they buried all the food there inside, I guess to keep it warm. So ngayon, they're digging in. Tingnan natin sis kung anong itsura ng mga foodums detach. Ooh, dinner time. Ang bango. Wow! Sarap. Gutom. Ayan na, lafukan time. Oh gonna be at the restaurant for our dinner. Hi, baby! Dinner time! Yes, it's gonna be here in this tent. I think we are about to start. We are just waiting for Mayor Charing. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna have our dinner here. Oh, you put already? Shukran. Yeah, put the rice, please. Shukran. Baby, next up, ano meron? Yun po.
Meron tayo ngayong stargazing.
Stargazing.
So we got our pass.
Guys, bumiyahe kami from in the middle of the desert from our hotel.
Oasis Camp.
Yes, to this place. Sobrang lamig. So now, we're just gonna wait and then we'll do this stargazing. See you later. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
Stargazing.
If you go just outside our atmosphere, you will notice that the sun is actually white with only a little bit of yellow in it. This is important to us because the color of a star gives us its relative age. When a
Good morning! Today is our Wadi Ram trip. I thank you. And punta kami in the middle of the desert to visit Mars today. Let's go! Good morning! Welcome to Wadi Ram! Guys, we will see Mars up close today. We will have tea here. Tapos, sand dunes dito. Ay, ang ganda. So nice.
Matatanda dyan sa pass kasi mahirap lakad pataas.
Sumamot. So, kaya tayo na-upgrade dahil doon. Actually, baka nga. True naman. Ayan. This is our humble bubble tent. Wow! It's so nice and beautiful. Maybe if only we can stay here longer, diba?
Another night kasi.
Another night, yes. Sana at least 2 days. Para talagang masulit. Tapos na kaming mag-Wadi Ram. And our next in our list is Dead Sea. See you guys! Hi! So we are checking out now from Wadi Ram. And our next step, our next stop is Dead Sea. After namin mag-Wadi Ram, we'll go straight to Dead Sea. And then from there, there's another destination that we have to go to. I'm just not sure and I forgot the name and where we're going after Dead Sea. Pero, after that, we'll go straight to Amman. Yes, because it's gonna be our last night here in this paradise. Super nice, super ganda. And yeah, it's way beyond from what we have expected and we are super happy. We really, experienced this such wonderful, memorable time. Sobrang ganda. Anyway, we'll update you again for our more chika. We'll see you guys. We just arrived here in Baptismal site. We're gonna visit Jesus Christ baptism place, and susubukan din namin magpabaptize. Let's see. The bus will leave in 10 minutes, so we're going now. We have a tour guide also, will show us around, so let's go.
Must be Catholic, right?
Yes, we are Christian. They want to ask, so this path, this is going to
the actual site Jesus Christ was baptized by John, the original place.
So we are going exactly to Jordan River.
Jordan, visiting the old site, which is a kind of archaeological site.
Okay.
Where we have the ruins of churches.
And then we go straight.
Byzantine church.
So this was closed due to military reasons until 1996, and then it became part of Jerusalem, Holy Land.
The other side of the river, that bank. Okay, the land across the river is called Jordan. No, church is still in Jordan. It looks in the West Bank, but still on the Jordan side, because the river is winding around. It goes like this. Yeah. It's going to be the last place. And this is in fact where we have the ruins of 5 Byzantine churches, 5 successive memorial Byzantine churches. But remember, one on top of the other. At the same point where Jesus was baptized, and directly on the eastern bank of the Jordan River that flew through here until the 12th century. This was the riverbed until the 12th century, when it started shifting naturally. The river shifted or moved naturally for about 200 meters away.
Now here at, anong pangalan nito? Baby, anong hotel nga to? Yan yung tour guide namin, and he's checking in for us. Grand East Dead Sea, I think, hotel. Kakatapos lang namin magpabaptize in Jordan River, and now we are going to Dead Sea. Hi! Currently in the hotel for Dead Sea experience. Ayan ang Palestinian border. So, sabi ng tour guide namin, all these mountains we see from here are all Palestinian border. So, Palestinian mountains na. Yes, ganun lang siya ka-close. Super close lang nila from each other. Ay, nice! Salt. So, nasa Dead Sea na kami. And as you can see, there are some crystallized salt everywhere. Ayan. Ayan siya. And magsiswimming lang kami. See you guys! Taray daming hotel. Pero yes, our last hotel in Amman para malapit sa airport. 40 minutes away from the airport. So, dito kami mag-overnight. It's gonna be our last day here, guys. Oh, ayun na magpakita kasi pagoda na. Pero, laban pa rin. Lang. And lalafok dahil gutom na kami. See you guys! Room tour! There you go! Taray ng toilet. Oh, pagoda! Kakain kami later. Mag-freshen up lang. See you! Hi! Hello! It's our dinner last night here in Jordan. And we are here in this restaurant. Ano restaurant namin mabasa yung sulat? Suggested restaurant lang sa amin.
Nang nakasabay namin sa labas.
Yes.
Kasi close na yung unang restaurant.
Oo. So, ito daw yung local food. Ano pangalan ng dami? Ng local food? With yogurt, meat, and rice. And this is last day in Amman, Jordan. Shukran. And here's our food. Ano masasabi mo, Benny? Lasang?
Yogurt.
Tapos, may meat, lamb, and merong mainit na yogurt. Tapos isasabaw mo siya. Okay naman siya.
Kulang lang sa...
Tsaka ang ganyan. Parang matabang kasi nga milk. Parang kaparin mo sa Pilipinas.
Sauce no?
Hindi curry. Oo, parang ganon. Parang gatas na. Anyway, safe. Kasi diba, hindi siya nuts, meat, and bread. Super simple. And we're gonna eat our dinner now. Good morning! And this is our last day here in Amman. Actually, wala naman kaming ginawa dito. Nagstay lang kami overnight. And then, had dinner. Tapos ngayon, babalik na kami ng Dubai. Ano masasabi mo, baby, sa trip natin? True. Alam mo, sobrang in-overestimate namin yung Jordan. Nasabi namin, hindi safe, hindi maayos. Or baka hindi kami maging comfortable. Kaya as much as possible, we squeezed everything for 3 days. Tapos, only to find out na sobrang okay dito. And then, ayun, we ended up going along the streets last night. So, as in, ganun siya ka-safe and comfortable na we even walk at night. We'll be back here soon sa birthday ni Baby. For now, thank you, Amman, Jordan, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys!
هون يا اخوي بدنا
back to work na naman kami and kakayod na naman to travel more 7 wonders of the world. Wow, to take off the wonders for now.